to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the stock Honda Prelude seats in your 5th generation Honda Prelude, and I'm also going to be installing aftermarket seats that I will show you once I'm able to remove both driver and passenger seats. So we are going to start off with the passenger side, and we're going to move on after that to the driver's side. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the front passenger seat, and as you can see, we have two nuts holding the seat rail to the bottom of the car. These are 14 millimeters, so I'm going to remove these first. So next, what you want to do is slide the seat forward, and then you want to tilt it forward as well. Again, we have this rug. Take this out, and then I will show you the other bolts you need to remove. So you have these tabs that basically cover the bolt of the seat rail. So basically just click on, you have to just remove it with one finger, then they will flip, they will be removed. You have another nut here and another one over here as well. So this one is a little bit harder to get to just because the spot it's in, but I'm pretty sure the same idea. You have to you can use a flathead and slightly and just put it under here and then lightly tilt it, and then it should come off. These are also 14 millimeter nuts holding the seat rail on the back of the seat. Okay, so as you can see, there's a debris that has accumulated under the seat for, you know, the amount of time the seat has never been removed. For years it's been accumulating. Thank God it's not anything serious. This rug still looks pretty clean, no rips, no stains, nothing like that. So I'm going to vacuum all of this, and then I will move on to the other side. Alright guys, so this is basically it. This is the reveal of the seats. These are a Greddy and a Bride collaboration. These are Bride Eurostar 2s. So that's the name of the seat. As you can see, it is a suede material. In here is more like a textured material, the inserts in the center, but it has white stitching, Bride seat rails, and then that's basically it. It has the Greddy logo up here with the colors, and then the Bride logo right there as well. Again, we have the Momo steering wheel with the NRG short hub, and this is basically the interior I envisioned for the car from the beginning. These seats were a limited option. You had to pre-order them from Greddy, and it was a limited time for the offer, so I was happy and very fortunate to be able to buy these. Yeah, this is basically the interior I envisioned for the car. All the parts that I have on the car now is basically how I wanted to build this car, or how I built it inside my head first, and then I was able to put it together.